If a yellow or white wire is shorted to red, stop using the system and isolate the fault immediately to prevent further damage. Start by turning power off at the breaker or the system switch and confirm there is no voltage at the thermostat wires with a non-contact tester. Remove the thermostat cover and separate the wires so they are not touching, and check for visible insulation damage or corrosion along the run and at termination points. Use a multimeter set to continuity to test between the yellow or white conductor and the red conductor. A beep or 0 ohms indicates a short. If the short is intermittent, gently flex the cable along the run while testing to find a break or pinch point and mark that location. If you have a spare conductor in the same cable sheath, move the thermostat connection for the heating or cooling control to the unused wire and label it clearly at both ends to restore safe operation until a permanent repair can be made. When replacing a damaged wire, pull a new conductor or replace the entire cable sheath if the jacket is compromised. Strip only a small amount of insulation and use proper screw or push terminals, making sure each connection is tight and that there is no exposed copper that could contact other conductors. Common mistakes include reusing a damaged wire without testing because it seems convenient, which can cause recurring shorts. Always confirm continuity and insulation integrity before reuse. Another issue is swapping wires at the thermostat or control board without matching the function, which produces incorrect system behavior. Always label wires and verify color to function mapping on the schematic before connecting. A third problem is restoring power without isolating the short first, risking control board or transformer damage. Always power down and test after repairs and replace fuses or transformers if they show signs of failure. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by connecting them with real project leads. We also host an active discussion community on the site where members ask questions, share experiences, and get practical advice about wiring, repairs, and project planning.